Intel Services Group is a Kansas City-based intelligence firm founded by a team of ex-intelligence analysts. We provide our clients with in-depth intelligence support, mitigating risk through the provision of high-grade information.
Some of the services that we provide include due diligence investigations, piercing the corporate veil investigations, construction intelligence, commercial real estate investigations, and judgment recovery. This presentation will highlight our judgment recovery service.
The focus of our civil judgment recovery services is on cases that have originated from construction litigation, commercial real estate contract law, and import-export disputes. Even though we specialize in these areas, we can collect on any civil judgment for you.
On average, only 15% of court-ordered civil judgments are collected. Once the court orders your judgment, it is up to you to collect this money. Greatly increase your chances of collecting on your judgment by letting the intelligence professionals at ISG collect for you. Trying to collect a judgment alone can result in spooking the debtor into hiding assets and other actions that would make collecting your judgment much harder. The investigators at ISG are seasoned and trained in the judgment collection process. We use this experience to ensure the largest amount that can be retrieved in your case is collected.
ISG differentiates itself from other firms in the sector by following through all stages of our very own judgment recovery process. This process starts with an early case assessment and an initial asset search. A detailed business investigation follows, and at this stage of the process, we make an informed decision on the likelihood of collection. If there is a great likelihood that collection is probable, then we move to the actual case assignment stage. Here you assign your case to ISG, and we move forward and implement a combined collection strategy. We execute this strategy and collect on your case.
ISG provides thorough asset investigations. These in-depth investigations uncover all assets of the debtor, which include things such as, but not limited to, bank accounts, real estate, business affiliations, business ownerships, investment accounts, and inheritances.
At Intel Services Group, we utilize a whole person approach to conducting asset investigations. We go beyond basic database searches to get to know the debtor on a more intimate level. In the course of an asset investigation, our team conducts a detailed desktop investigation, on-site records retrieval, and surveillance. The goal of our asset investigations is not only to find the debtor's assets, but determining where the future revenue will come from to intercept the funds for our clients.
Using our in-depth asset investigation, we target assets, then execute garnishments, liens, and real estate seizures simultaneously. The primary target of our execution is cash. Bank account garnishments are the most time-efficient methods of forced payment. After bank garnishments, real estate property seizures, and forced sales are next. Real estate liens are also very effective, but take the most time for recovery.
Your civil judgment can be against an individual, a group of individuals, or a business. Our experienced investigators know to go for the most liquid assets first, then follow up seizing the less liquid assets. If your judgment is against an individual, we will attack personal checking and saving accounts, personal investment accounts, and wage garnishments. If your judgment is against a business, we will attack the business checking account, a third-party levy, which is attacking debtors of the debtor, and we will perform till taps. A till tap consists of taking money directly from the cash register of an existing business.
We also collect on your judgment by seizing personal property, cars, trucks, boats, planes, motorcycles, and more. When your case is assigned to ISG, we immediately serve the debtor, then recover their property for you. The property recovered is stored, then liquidated to get your cash. We strive to get through this process within 60 days of case assignment.
The least liquid way to collect on your judgment would be to implement property liens. When all is recovered from previous methods and the total judgment is still not recovered, we bind property of the debtor. Binding the property makes it so that the debtor cannot sell this property unless the lien is lifted. The lien is lifted when your judgment is settled. We attack business property, investment property, and personal residence property.
Piercing the corporate veil is a strategy that can be used to attack a business owner when the judgment is in the name of the business entity and not the owner. There are a number of special circumstances in which you can move for a motion to pierce the corporate veil. Piercing the corporate veil is a complex litigation strategy. If you feel that you are in the need of this service, we require that you talk to an attorney first. If you are an attorney in need of our services, please contact us directly. Here are retainer rates for some of our services. Please call with any questions or concerns.
Intel Services Group is a division of Litigation Support Group. Contact us today or visit us online at intelservicesgroup.net.